Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can make money on Roblox. There are actually two ways how you can make money on Roblox. The first way that I'm going to talk right now is through YouTube videos. When you look on Roblox popularity, you see that Roblox is getting more and more popular every single year. From 2015 it just grows exponential, and I think it will get even more popular because more people are playing it. Now, how you can make money with YouTube videos? I'm someone who's been on YouTube for like 5 years right now. I have more than 6 channels, and if you want to start a YouTube channel, there is a free mini course down below in the description. You can click on the link and register and learn more about YouTube, how you can make money on it. What you can do is to create actually videos about Roblox. So you come here and Roblox, how to get a free Roblox. First, you can like best games 2021. You can create compilations, and as you can see, you can have like plenty of games, and you can do best games April 2021, and you can see 4,000 views, and you can create videos like these. Or you can simply create templates, or if you are playing some really popular game, you can make videos about that. And it's not really hard. All you have to do is just like record it, even when you're screen on mobile, or you can do like, I don't know, with your computer. You come here to Roblox Castle. Not really this guy, but Roblox Polter. Look, let's look on his views. And 240, and look, he grew really quickly. He had like 20,000 views. Right now he's earning like 200,000 views, and he's earning what, $200-300? That's pretty good. But there are like Roblox compilation and viral Roblox TikToks, and look at the popularity. This guy is earning really good money, 1 million views a month. And this is like another one. So you can make memes, you can make educational content. It really depends what do you want to actually create and build. My recommendation is just make educational content or something funny. It depends who you are. And I always focus, and I have one question for like, what do you bring actually to the market? Many people don't know. Like, imagine, okay, what can I bring to the market so people can watch it? Don't only create the videos for the sake of creating it. So this is what I would definitely do. Then what you can do is even like stream on Twitch or stream on a YouTube, and people can support you, and you can make money with AdSense. That's ads, and I make from average around like €200 a day. And then what you can do is to earn money, like you would promote some Roblox games and people would pay you for it because you have the reach. People can follow you, right? So this is something you can definitely do, and this is really great way how you can make money. Yes, the competition is there on YouTube, but I think you can just like do it. Now, my recommendation is you need to find the trends, what people are right now playing. So what games are getting popular this month, and make videos about them. How to play a Roblox game and on Oculus Quest 2. So that's something, if you have Oculus, you can make it. But just like specific games, best Roblox games. And now we can go look at this. Survival. How to get free balloon, how to fly. And you can make a video about it, right? Top 5 secrets. If you would make this video on a popular game that is getting really popular, you can make a lot of money. Just trust me in that. So that's really good. And this is how we can make like a good revenue, good money. Also, what you can do is to actually focus on that, focus on educational, that you can create videos like how to move, how to use something in Roblox. But this is like really great way how you can make actually how you can grow your YouTube channel, that you would search for popular games 2021, Phantom Forces. Let's look at this. Roblox, how to level up 2 days ago. See? And now you see that how to level up fast, how to use sniper, get noob slayer, super jump. There are so many videos that you can create in every single game. See? And this is something like really good that you can create and that you can play. So my recommendation is focus on this, and when you look on the views that he got, look at this. 1 million views, and he grew really quickly. Really quickly. And it's getting really popular. And 1 million views, that gets like 2K in dollars in revenue. So that's pretty good. And people are playing it. This is like Lego. And the second way how you can actually make money with Roblox is if you would be in Roblox Studio, that what you would do is that you would actually create games by yourself, but do it only if you're creative. Like if you want to create games and you like to have the mind of the creator and developer, in that way, like doing it, it's pretty popular and pretty awesome. So that's the one thing you can do. But I think really this is like really great that you look on Roblox popular games and just make videos about that. That's a good strategy. Phantom Forces, Roblox. And now right here I can click on games, most engaging. You look based on the visits. And if you would create a games, updated create 2018, create 2020, you see that this game was created in 2020, which is like new. And I can go like Shindo or like Phantom Forces, how to get better. Or like we can go Shindo, Roblox. And again, there are plenty of views that you can make. So this is pretty much it, and this is how you can make Roblox money. My recommendation is just create YouTube videos. If you want to create your own YouTube channel, you can get a course down below, mini course completely for free. You're not going to pay anything for it, and it can really help you how we can do it. So thank you very much for watching. Ask me down below in questions. I'm happy to help you and provide you some guidance. And yeah, have a great day guys, and goodbye. See ya.